think competitor analysis is not important, you might want to think twice. Here's how we conduct competitor research and analyze them for valuable insights. Step 1. Collect the basic competitor info. We gather the essential details such as the competitor name, the social media links, website, and so on. We also take note for a quick about the brand to get a grip on their positioning. We also track their followers, post counts, and average engagement metrics. Step 2. Identify what they bring to the table. Now, let's dig into what makes them special. Who are they targeting? A visit to their website and social pages reveal their audience. We also note their key products or services, especially their signature offers. What features and benefits are also included? This helps us understand the benefits they're selling and the transformations they promise. Step 3. Assess their content and engagement strategies. Next, we explore how they connect with their audience. What's their content strategy? How often do they post? We look for gaps. We also check their marketing moves. Are they doing promotions, giveaways, or events? What's the customer feedback like? Positive reviews or common complaints? This gives us a clear picture of their engagement levels and their relationship with their audience. Step 4. Evaluate their brand voice and content themes. Moving on, we analyze their brand voice. Is it authoritative, friendly, or playful? We scan their content to identify the topics they frequently cover. This includes checking the top-performing content from the last 3 months. We note the format and themes, along with the hooks they use, and even the length of their captions. Step 5. Strategic overview. Finally, we compile our findings. We list out their strengths and weaknesses, opportunities for us to leverage, and potential threats to look out for. This comprehensive analysis not only shows us where they're good at, but also where we can outperform them. This structured approach is like having a roadmap to more effective marketing. By understanding what already works and where there are gaps, we can craft strategies that really hit the mark. Want to get confident about market research? Comment ready and I'll send you the details.